Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is a recipe for mango tapioca dessert, a delightful combination of sweet, tangy and cream. It's very simple and easy to follow. It requires a few ingredients and can be put together very quickly, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients we require to make this dish. Here I've got half a cup of tapioca pearls, also called sagoo. Wash and drain out the water. Add clean water, let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes, keep it aside. Into a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of milk and bring it to a boil. Milk has come to a boil, keep the flame on low, let it simmer for a minute. Add 1/4 cup of milk powder, mix it thoroughly to avoid lumps. Now add 1/3 cup of condensed milk, give a good mix. Add a pinch of saffron to the milk, simmer it for 1 more minute. Turn off the flame, let it cool down completely. Into a blender, add a cup of mango and the milk, blend well to a smooth consistency. Transfer it to a bowl and set it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's boil our tapioca pearls. Into a pan, add 3 to 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add soaked tapioca pearls, give a mix. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook or until it turns transparent. Keep stirring in between. It's done. For me it took 8 minutes to cook. Using a sieve or a strainer, carefully drain out the water. Immediately add some cold water. This will prevent the process of cooking. Now let's put everything together. Mango pulp is nice and chilled. It's been in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Add boiled tapioca pearls, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped mangoes, 1/4 cup of mixed nuts and a pinch of salt. This will enhance the sweetness. Mix everything well for a minute. There you go, mango tapioca dessert. It's perfect treat that will keep your guest wanting more. Do give this recipe a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. If you want to watch this video in Tamil, I have uploaded on Mother Nature's Recipes Tamil, and the link is in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.